Okay, the final question over here is 131. Okay, let's take a look. A sample is a mixture of AgNO3, CuCl2, and FeCl3. So when a sample of 1 gram of the mixture, which means there is 1 gram, and it contains 3 of this compound over here, the 3 compound, and it have a total mass of 1 gram. It's dissolved in the water and react with excess silver nitrate, which is this. This is silver nitrate. So when you add silver nitrate inside of the mixture, this will not have any reaction because they are the same. But when these two have occur silver nitrate, what will happen? When these two occur silver nitrate, they will react with silver nitrate and form silver chloride, AgCl. So okay, when they react with excess silver nitrate, 1.7809 gram of precipitate ion forms. So the precipitate, 中文来讲的话就是析出 the precipitate ion is this, is the silver chloride. Okay, when a separated 1 gram sample of the mixture is treated with a reducing agent. Okay, which means the mixture still have a total mass of 1 gram, but when we look at it separately, which means we analyze this one, and this one. We make it reduce to form pure metal, and we weight the metal. 我们去称这个金属的重量 and we can find out the total mass of the pure metals is 0.4684. So calculated mass percent of the silver nitrate and the copper chloride and the iron chloride in the original mixture. So this question is actually not that difficult, but it has to use the calculator very wisely again, because we have 3 unknown numbers, which is x, y, and z. We don't know what are this number is. So let's take a look at the scenario again. 我们来看一下这个情境是怎么回事。再看一次。Okay, when these two react with this and forming silver chloride, this is the precipitate. So the important thing of this is we have the total mass of the precipitated silver chloride. Is that clear? So when we have the total mass of the silver chloride, we can note the mass inside the silver chloride of chlorine. 我们可以去从那个氯化银的这个总质量去推算说，在原来的这个混合物中有多少重量的这个氯。We can infer from this information how much weight, how much mass is inside of the original mixture of chloride. All right? Okay, so this is the first clue. And the second clue, okay, the 3 compound has a total mass of 1 gram. Oh, and the third clue is the 3 compound, if we analyze the metal's mass inside of this compound, the 3 compound, we can have a total mass of 0.4684. So which means we have 3 clues already. 3 clues can occur to 3 different equations. So in this type, we can set up 3 different unknown numbers. Okay, so now it will be easy. Let mass of AgNO3, CuCl2, FeCl3 will differently become x, y, and z. Correct. In order to solve this equation, we need 3. In order to solve 3 different unknown number, we need 3 equations. So first one we can set up like this: x plus y plus z will equal to 1. Okay, Okay, secondarily, we know that the total of the silver chloride over here. So we can infer from the silver chloride is how much weight is inside the silver chloride. How much weight is inside the silver chloride? Sorry, how much chlorine's weight is inside of the silver chloride is like this. 我们可以从中计算说这个氯化银中有多少的氯。Okay, so the molar mass of the silver chloride is 143.35, and there have 1 mole of chlorine inside of here. Okay, and these two have chlorine over here. So easy. Just calculate the weight or the mass of the chlorine, then add up. So Y times by, and you have 2 chloride over here, plus Z times, okay, 162.2, oh, and you have 3 chloride over here. Okay, this is the second equation. And the third one is when the pure metal inside of this 3 compound add up, it will become 0.4684. So now we can use this to calculate again. X times by the whole weight is 169.87, and inside of this compound we have 107.90 of silver. Okay, similar behavior like this. Okay, after calculated like this, after writing like this, written down like this, the final is 4684. Okay, after you have these 3 equations, you no longer have to use your hand to calculate this anymore. You don't need to do any substitution. You don't need to do any reduction over here. You just simply type these numbers inside your calculators like this. Okay, how to do this? Okay, you remember we can choose the equation mode from the mode over here and press 5 to go to the equation mode. And I do not take many pictures, but you know, the second one would be like this: ax plus by plus cz equals to d. You select this, and it will give you 3 different equations to type inside. So the first equation over here is of course, I have to duplicate this first. Okay. Okay, the first one over here in the ax plus by plus zz equals to d is over here. You just simply enter 1 equals to 1 equals to 1 and equals to 1. Because the d is over here. The screen is not big enough over here. And in the second one, because you don't have y, you don't have an x unknown number in the second equation, so you just basically type 0 inside of here. And when in the b, which is this number, what you type is 2 times 35.45 divided by this, and it will calculate a number for you and type inside of this here. And simply just go on. Z, in the Z part, you type in 3 times by 35.45 divided by 162.20 over here, and etc. You just do a calculation like this, and you can get the whole number. You can get the whole answer, and I will not calculate it. All right, that's all for this tutorial session for the chapter 4. If you do have any question, please email me or email the other teaching assistants. 那我们的演习课就讲这5题。 那如果你还有其他问题的话，你就再寄信给我，或是另外一个助教学长这样子。好，谢谢大家，Thank you for listening.